Okay, so this is the Ace of Spades vein. This is where the bulk sampling in 2016 terminated. Not because we don't have any gold, we just had to stop somewhere. What you're looking at here is the hanging wall of the vein. And we've got our phyllites or shales down on this side. We've got the vein here that's probably 3 meters wide, 2 to 3 meters wide. And then we have the conglomerate or the grits behind it. In this vein zone, there's a multiple series of veins. There's a lot of different movement. You'll see gray, green, and white. The green is coming out of the gray. The gray is arsenopyrite. The green is scorodite, which is an alteration product or weathering product of the arsenopyrite. And what we found when we were mining here, or taking our bulk sample, is that the vast majority of the high grade is concentrated right up against the hanging wall, as if the other rock type that was on this side of the vein acted as a cap for the fluids coming up, which is fairly typical of a lot of vein type deposits. So that's one of our keys. In fact, you can see it's a lot grayer in here, a lot more full of arsenopyrite, and you can actually come and find visible gold in a number of places along this edge. And when we were doing the fresh blasting, it wasn't common, but it was certainly more than once or twice that we'd find an 1/8 to 3/16 inch band of solid gold right along the fault surface just inside the quartz vein. So yeah, an appreciable amount of the value of this quartz vein, even though it's 3 meters wide, a good portion of it's right here in the first meter. And in fact, the first foot of it is probably the richest. Lots more left.
Cool.